tested the North Carolina Emergency Alert System, which is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.